Hi there guys, AD here. Just thought I'd do a little update on how I've been getting on with the truck. So I've basically just done work in the engine bay so far, giving it a little bit of a tidy up. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I've been up to. So I started off by repairing both sides of the bulkhead that I showed in the last video. I had the inner fenders off and repaired both of these ends down here on both sides, and then sent them away to be painted. I've had them done in gloss black, so I've repaired both ends here. While they were off, I had the front panel, had some damage to that as well, so it was all rotted out down here. So I've repaired all that, and then there was a big hole here as well. I repaired that and then sent that away to be painted. I've had them done in gloss black. It's not a big difference, but I've painted the air filter housing, valve covers in like a crinkle paint, which come out alright. Put new plugs and leads in it. Changed the boots here. Put some wire tidies on it. Billet alley. They look quite tidy. I've tidied up the chassis a little bit where it can be seen. Obviously refitted this front core support and the rad. When I bought this rad, come to fit it, and although it physically fitted in place, I couldn't fit the fan shroud to it because the previous radiator, it let it bolt in the sides here, whereas this one just has empty holes. So I've since sourced almost like an L-shaped panel that bolts onto this here, comes out here, and then my fan shroud can bolt to that. Tidied up in the inlet manifold because I was getting oil seepage from the valve covers, so I've cleaned all that up, fitted new gaskets. I've fitted these like spreader bars as well to hopefully help with that as well. I've fitted new thermostat housing because the old one was weeping. The only other thing I've really done is fitted a front shock relocation kit and new front shocks. Pretty simple fit. Never really liked how the old one was fitted because it used to twist the bushes in the top and bottom of the shock. So hopefully this will be better. So my next job is changing the power steering belt while I can get to it. My heater box I'm just painting up at the minute, and I've had a new heater core made. I couldn't get the original style like control valve for it, so I've ended up buying an aftermarket one and then hopefully I'm going to make that fit. So I've got that to reassemble, put back in the bay, and then it's just a case really, I put the front panel back on it, and then try and get the wings to fit because I bought new pattern part wings, so I'm hoping they're gonna fit. So that's it, that's my update for this time. Hopefully I'll update you again in a couple of weeks. So thanks for watching, cheers, bye.